I've heard really good things about this menu. I haven't eaten all day in anticipation for this, so I'm really excited. So let's slap this down and dig in. Smells delicious. Yeah, this smells really good. Yeah, I think this is gonna be great. That is really good. Not necessarily saying it's my favorite US MRE menu, but it's up there in the top. It's not like the best sauce or gravy in the world, but it's pretty damn good. And I can tell right now, I'm gonna have to put this on it. This stuff is really good. I'm putting it all on there. Because it needs it. I think this is gonna be fantastic. That picante seasoning is gonna take it up a whole nother level. That just kicked it up to another universe. That picante seasoning is so good, and it's very spicy, but I love it, and it goes perfectly with the red bell peppers. And the salt, perfectly balanced. This is a great meal. It's not often I get excited about a US MRE. That was fantastic. Like I said, one of the better US MREs I've had. That is a great menu. It was very hearty, very flavorful. Adding the picante seasoning, superb.